Larsa Pippen opens up about Kim Kardashian's role as godmother to her daughter Sophia amid their ongoing rift. Larsa Pippen, former star of The Real Housewives of Miami and longtime member of the Kardashian inner circle, is opening up about one of the most delicate topics surrounding her fractured friendship with Kim Kardashian. Kim's role as godmother to Larsa's 16-year-old daughter, Sophia Pippen. In a candid conversation on The Jason Lee Show, Larsa broke her silence about where things stand between her family and Kim, particularly addressing whether Kim still holds the role of godmother to Sophia despite the dramatic fallout between the two women. And the answer is yes, she does. The status of godmother Kim. Larsa confirmed that Kim Kardashian remains Sophia's godmother, and that there are no plans to change that. Despite the dissolution of her friendship with Kim, Larsa emphasized that the bond between Sophia and Kim has never been affected. In fact, according to Larsa, her daughter still regularly spends time with Kim and other members of the Kardashian-Jenner family. She still hangs out with them, Larsa shared. They're good to her, and that's all that matters to me. I would never take that away from her. This statement alone reveals a mature and maternal side of Larsa that viewers don't always get to see. In her eyes, her daughter's well-being and emotional connections come first, no matter what has transpired between adults. It's a reminder that while celebrity friendships may come and go, family decisions, especially those involving godparents, are deeper than social alliances. The rise and fall of a famous friendship. Larsa and Kim were once inseparable. The two were often photographed together at high-profile events, vacations, and casual girls' nights out. Larsa was one of the Kardashians' closest confidants, appearing on Keeping Up with the Kardashians multiple times and even vacationing with the family. Their friendship spanned over a decade, and many fans considered Larsa almost like an extended member of the Kardashian clan. However, in recent years, the once tight-knit bond seemed to unravel quietly but unmistakably. In 2020, fans noticed that the Kardashians had unfollowed Larsa on Instagram, leading to widespread speculation about what caused the rift. Larsa later confirmed that they had gone their separate ways, claiming in interviews that Kanye West, Kim's now ex-husband, had played a significant role in their estrangement by turning the family against her. Kim never directly addressed Larsa's claims, but the silence spoke volumes. It became clear that their friendship was over, though the exact cause remained shrouded in mystery. Since then, Larsa has maintained that she holds no ill will, but the connection has not been restored. Larsa speaks on moving forward. On The Jason Lee Show, Larsa made it abundantly clear that she has no desire to rekindle her friendship with Kim. When asked about the possibility of reconciliation, her response was direct. "I'm not the same person I was yesterday, and I feel like I'm good." She added that her priorities have shifted and that she's more focused on personal growth, her children, and building a positive life, separate from past friendships and celebrity drama. It's a sign of maturity, but also a firm acknowledgement that some relationships simply run their course. Still, Larsa expressed appreciation for how Kim and her family treat Sophia, reiterating that this respect and kindness are what truly matter. "She's happy. That's all I want," Larsa said about her daughter's continued relationship with the Kardashian family. Sophia's relationship with the Kardashians. Sophia Pippen, though raised in the spotlight, has grown into a relatively private young woman. However, she has occasionally been seen on social media with other celebrity teens and at events linked to the Kardashian family. From childhood, Sophia was included in Kardashian family functions, birthday parties, and even featured on screen when the bond between the families was at its peak. Larsa's decision to keep Kim as Sophia's godmother not only underscores her respect for her daughter's feelings, but also reflects her understanding of the importance of stability in a child's life, especially in the unpredictable world of fame. Public reaction and perspective. Fans have taken to social media to commend Larsa for her mature stance, and for not letting personal issues cloud her decisions regarding her child. Some expressed surprise that she hadn't reassigned the role of godmother, while others applauded her for rising above drama for the sake of her daughter. Critics have long accused both Larsa and Kim of clout-chasing, competitive behavior, or using media to subtly shade one another. But in this instance, Larsa's comments stood apart from gossip and seemed focused solely on family values and boundaries. The bigger picture. In the world of Hollywood, where celebrity feuds, fallouts, and reconciliations make constant headlines, it's easy to get swept up in the drama. But Larsa's message is clear. Some relationships may not last, but the decisions made for the sake of family, especially children, should rise above the noise. Her decision not to remove Kim as Sophia's godmother reflects a strong sense of integrity and emotional maturity. By keeping that role intact, she's allowing her daughter to maintain an important bond, irrespective of adult disagreements or fractured friendships. Final thoughts. Larsa Pippen and Kim Kardashian's friendship may be over, but their history, and the connections built during their time as close friends, continue to ripple through their lives. Sophia's godmother status is a symbol of a time when things were different, but also a reminder that some ties shouldn't be severed just because the friendship ended. In an industry built on image and alliances, Larsa's commitment to her daughter's happiness over personal pride stands out. Whatever differences may exist between Larsa and Kim today, one thing is certain: the love for Sophia, and the choice to honor her relationships, remains the priority.